Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday, December the 19th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary puzzle and the killer Sudoku. Yes, killer Sudoku. In this new newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars Sudoku. We have here also a 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. In additional, I will do half of the puzzles, 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. Yes, we have 12 days to go in this year. Then it will be end of 2023. Difficult year. Yeah. Alright, binary puzzle. Number, I believe, number 7646. 7646. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 40 printed digits. Wow. 40. Alright. We have here a puzzle 12 by 12. That means in a row we have 6 ones and 6 O's. Same for the columns. 6 O's, 6 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the ones. Number 1 here. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Double 1. Double 1. Now the double O's. Well, yeah, double O's. Yeah, double O, here 1, there 1. 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 Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Well, between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Then I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, and sixth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Number 1, here no, there no. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 5. Between the ones comes an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Alright. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Between those comes a 1. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So the sixth O should be in one of these three boxes. If I place the sixth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So here should be an O and a 1 here. Okay. Now. Let me see. Come on. Yeah. And I'm stuck here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. Same for here. O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 5 ones we have here in this column. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Okay. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Think. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. Well. So these 2 boxes should be a 1 then. Now we have a double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know which order. So we have first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, and that box should be the 6th O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's, so the rest are 1s. 3, 4, 5, 6, okay. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay. Oh, double O, overlooked. Here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, and so this box should be a 6th O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the rest are 1s. Number 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here should be the 6th. Ay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, maybe time for comparing. No. Between two O's comes in 1. Yeah. Now, between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well. Maybe time for comparing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Question is which row or which column I need to compare. We have 5 full rows and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 completed columns. And do we have this I cannot compare. 1. Well. I cannot compare this one. This I cannot compare. We have a double 1 here. Well. This column and that column 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0, and I cannot place the 1 here. We have only 1, missing 1. So if I place a 1 here, then the whole column will be identical. So I cannot place the 1 here. So this should be definitely an O then. Okay, now we have a between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, okay. And now, between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Wow. Still need to compare. 3, 4, 5. Right. Do we have a double 1 here? No. This one I have compared. This double O, no. This one 01. No. Well. This is too complicated. 1 0. What do we have here? Yeah. The last column. In this column. Yeah. O 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be 1. 1 2 3 4 5. Still not helping me with this 2 3 4 5 6. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. If I place number 6 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Now we have a double O here, one there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So rest the O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So rest the O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the 1's comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. And double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. Need to compare one column. And maybe here also. But we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with a second regular puzzle, the Binary Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.